Hello there guys, and in this tutorial we have our checkpoint. Okay, so let me just write it down. Checkpoint, although in the last tutorial I haven't written a review on the board, but who cares? I mean, if I remember, I remember. If I don't remember, I don't remember. I just guess I sometimes forget. I'm forgetful. Maybe I don't even know what I'm doing here. Why am I even on the other side of the screen? That's a good question. But before I forget, let me just say what we will talk about in the next section. So in the next section, we are going to talk about processes. Okay, so let me just write somewhere here. We are going to talk about processes. Okay. We will talk about commands related to process monitoring and management and concepts relevant to truly understand process-related activities, okay? So we will have some conceptual things, we will have some practical command line apply things, and it's going to be a treat, okay? Especially because this section, when I was writing it up, I really had an interesting time sort of distinguishing between what is important, what is not important, because foundationally, if you look at it, operating systems, most of the things they do is actually manage processes. You could say that, I mean, not entirely, that's not their entire purpose, but a big chunk of them is actually managing processes. And so, you have to sort of uh, pick the operating system concepts which are going to be useful for interpreting, for example, some of the output of some of the commands. And yeah, it's been really challenging to kind of like really distill the theory to really the theory you need. But also, to cover the practical side of it, as I said, using the commands, looking at their output, actually understanding it. So I think this is something I'm really proud of. I mean, this entire series is something I'm proud of, but especially this section, is something which I think I've done a rather good job at kind of giving you only the theory you need for you to understand the practical parts, but so that you truly understand them. So it's not like, I just gave you a little bit of theory and you kind of understand, but not really, but that you actually kind of understand intuitively, oh, this is what's going on. Okay. So yeah, definitely leave me feedback, leave me feedback in the comments. What are you thinking? Do you think, do you like the style of explaining? Do you, and especially as the next tutorials about processes come out, did you like it? Did you not like it? And definitely if you liked it, subscribe, share, leave out some love, spread out some love, for this channel. And I'd appreciate it. Okay. So until next tutorial, we will talk soon.